This is the part that matters: 5 constraint twists, so you are not copying the same angle. Here is the ugly pattern. A trend hits gaming YouTube, and a bunch of small and mid-sized channels all riff on the same idea with different twists. You still end up staring at a blank title box trying to invent a fresh rule. Free tool on Casey, buildsit.com. Run it, copy it, move on. Welcome to Casey Builds It. This tool is called Copy This Trend Idea Generator. It is built in Python, and I built it with Cursor. You can download the tool straight to your computer, open it and start using it, or grab the prompt from the Files section and make your own changes in Cursor or any other AI tool. You paste in a trending format, a local library picks constraint seeds, blindfolded, one hand only, $0 spend, no meta. Then Gemini writes the film-ready examples for that exact format. No YouTube API is required. Offline seeds work with no keys, but for the good examples, you want Gemini on. Check Write with Gemini. Save a Gemini API key once, and it writes punchy hooks specific to your format. If Gemini is off or fails, you still keep the local seeds as a fallback. Why bother? Trending research kept showing the same gap. Everyone copies the format, almost nobody locks a sharp constraint in the first 3 seconds, and that is what stops the scroll. All right, so right here, I am going to run through it live with a format someone would actually paste. Step 1, find the trending format box. Paste the format you want to riff on. For this demo, I am using Beat, a viral Roblox obby. You would paste whatever is actually trending for you: a Minecraft hardcore challenge, a Fortnite loadout video, a speedrun, a dress-up runway, whatever the format is. Step 2, how many twists? Leave it at 5 or bump it if you want more angles. 5 is a good default for one video idea session. Step 3, Gemini. Keep Write with Gemini checked. Paste your Gemini API key, hit save so it sticks across Casey tools, and pick your model. This is how you get the good examples. Gemini turns the constraint seeds into specific, filmable lines. Skip it only if you are offline and okay with starter wording. Step 4, hit Generate Twists. Local seeds fill first, then Gemini rewrites them into the pack you will film. Here are examples from this run. Worst loadout: beat the viral Roblox obby using only starter gear. No game passes, no paid pets. Non-gamer partner, where a non-gamer picks every jumping path. Split screen race, you versus a friend, same stage. No meta, no skip routes, glitches, or copy-paste meta path. And one hand only, using only one hand the entire run. Film the constraint in the first 3 seconds so the scroll stops. Same trend, sharper rule, fresh angle. After you generate, you have 3 more buttons. Shuffle again pulls a new set of twists from the library. Copy all puts the whole pack on your clipboard. Export saves a text file you can keep next to your filming notes. Same idea as the other free tools. If something fails with Gemini, the local twists stay on screen. You do not lose the work. If you are in gaming, or you just hate staring at a blank title box, this is aimed at you. All right, that is the full walkthrough. Again, Python tool built with Cursor. Download it on CaseyBuildsIt.com in the Files section. Open it on your computer and start using it, or download the prompt from Files, drop it into Cursor or any other AI tool, and change whatever you want. Free Tools has the ready-to-run app too. Paste a format, leave Write with Gemini on, hit Generate Twists, and film the constraint. If you want the next build idea, drop it in the comments. Until next time, go out, use Cursor, use an AI tool, and start building.